Hey guys, welcome to this new video in which I will be showing you how you can post or share your affiliate offer or affiliate links in Facebook or other related social media platforms without getting yourself banned or labeled as a spammer. For those who don't know me and who are new to this video, my name is Joyce Meettoo and I do videos that help and teach people how to make money online, as well as do videos related to network and affiliate marketing. So if you're one of those amazing people who want to get themselves out of the rat race and get ahead in the game, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Once you do that, I will personally send you a notification whenever I post a new video so that you don't miss it. In today's video, guys, I am not going to talk about ads, but I am going to talk about how you share your affiliate link with someone without Facebook denying you or deleting your post after some time. One thing you should know is affiliate marketing is allowed on Facebook, but you must always comply with Facebook's guidelines. So do check it out. And most of the affiliate links will get blocked or denied or even deleted, but it's not the case for all of them. There will be two types of affiliate links that I will talk about and will show you how you can get them presented in front of your audience in any social media platform, especially in Facebook. The first type of affiliate links are those from websites that have their own specific products within their own specific websites. These links will not get blocked or denied in Facebook when you're sharing them. Examples are ClickFunnels affiliate links. So an example is this one. However, the affiliate links that you will be getting from such websites, such secured websites, will be too long and kind of messy. So what you can do is use a link shortener such as bit.ly. It is free to use and easy to generate your short link just by clicking on create and pasting your long affiliate link here. However, most of the time I used a link shortener that I have installed in my website, which is WordPress, where I write my blog. And the link shortener is called Pretty Links. So what it does, guys, it gives the long messy affiliate link a more professional look. So let me show you an example by actually demonstrating it to you. So if I take this affiliate link of mine here, I copy it and I just go to the pretty links here and add new. I'll be adding new. I'll just add new pretty link, and that's my target URL, and I'll go to permanent and just name it network marketing secrets 1, because I already did it. So just for this example, and I'll just click on update and it will generate the link in the next few seconds. So here it is, guys. Here it is. The link is generated, and if I show you how it is, I'll just open a new tab and paste it on Google. Here it is, guys, the link to my affiliate offer, and if I press enter, it will direct me to this page that I want people to be sent to when they click on it. So now this name that you see here is my domain name, and the link represents me. So the people viewing this link will feel more willing to click on it instead of clicking on a shabby, long, and messy link like this one. The second type are affiliate links from affiliate marketplaces such as ClickBank, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, and so on. An example is this one. Here I'm in the marketplace of ClickBank, and if I'm promoting this product called VertShock, I'll just click on promote and generate my hop links, and I will get a link like this, similar to this. So if I copy it and paste it in Facebook, it might get pasted, it might appear, but after some time Facebook will automatically delete it. So you can't actually share these links directly to your audience, and it may be through the post that I just talked about, or even sending them a direct message. Facebook will not allow you to do so. The links will either be blocked or denied immediately or be deleted after some time. And this happens even if you use the link shortener such as bit.ly or pretty link that I just showed you. But this doesn't mean the end, guys. So here are where opt-in pages or bridge pages come handy. If you don't know what's an opt-in page, it is a page similar to this one, and or this one. So these pages, guys, they are where you get the contact information such as the names, the email addresses of the people who are interested in the product you are promoting. Opt-in pages are also known as capture page and squeeze page, or even lead magnet if you're giving your free audience something for free in exchange for their contact information. An example of a lead magnet is this one, where I'm giving 4-day training for free, and they give me their information such as their email address. And a bridge page, also known as a thank you page, is similar to this one, where you, as the affiliate marketer, you are acting as a bridge and introducing yourself and thanking all the people who gave their email addresses and who are looking forward or who are interested in purchasing the product you are promoting. You are just simply easing some of the confusions one might be having by providing some valuable solutions or talking how you use the product and what changes it brought into your life. And this can be done through various funnel builder software. And in my case, guys, what I'm using is ClickFunnels, because it is easy to create any sort of funnels, such as bridge pages, opt-in pages, even sales pages. And ClickFunnels provide you a large variety of ready-made opt-in pages, bridge pages, and also sales pages. So let me give you a quick example. So right now I am on my ClickFunnels page, where I'll be creating quick funnel steps for you, so you can click on add new. And when you do that, ClickFunnels will give you two types of funnels. Maybe you won't have your cookbook builder process if you did not watch the videos that Russell says when you're setting up your account. You will either be given a classic builder funnel. You can start use the two. This one, when you click it, you will get 3 types, all the variety of funnels that you're using. And if you want opt-in pages, go down. So let's just have a look. If I start the cookbook, I will be directed to a page like this one, and if I'm not mistaken, they will give me the free cookbook to download. Here it is. And as you can see, guys, as I said, you will be directed to all types of funnel. There are membership funnel, product launch, survey funnel, lead magnet. Like I said, lead magnet is something that you're giving for free in exchange for their email address or contact information. Homepage funnel, squeeze page funnel, we can use that. This is a pretty good for opt-in page and things like this. And there's bridge funnel, etc. So you can go on and click let's click on squeeze page, and it says use curiosity to generate leads with this simple 2-page funnel. So there will be a squeeze page and a thank you page, which is a bridge page, if I'm not mistaken. So if we select funnel, and there's a brief description here, and Russell Brunson gives an introduction and teaches you how to use it. And here are the pages, guys. They are free and they are paid versions 1 and they are paid versions 2. So you can just go on and select any page that you want. Let's say I select this page, this one. I select this one. So this one will be directed, and I'll just click on Get Funnels, and you can just view the review right here. And like I said, this is the squeeze page where they will give you their information, and there will be some notes that you would like to input. And this is the thank you page where you put a video of yourself describing what the product is or giving a free value and so on. And so let's click on Get Funnel, and it will be loading and giving me access to the funnel in a few seconds. So here it is, guys. As you saw, it was really quick. And if you want to edit the pages and do some tweaks, changes, you are free to do so, and it is easy just by clicking the page, edit page right here. You will be directed to in ClickFunnels where you can just make some changes, and it is called the editor. So right here, as you can see, this is the logo of the company, and it is Conquer. So you can change the logo here just by clicking on it or going to the settings button. And on the right side, you can upload your image and do so. So what I want you to understand is if people click on this button, they will be directed to a page where you want them to be directed. So you can make sure they are directed to either directly to the product page or the sales page, the final page, or to your bridge page. So just by clicking on that, you decided where it should go, and by clicking on set actions, you decide what to do. This one, it submits the form, and if you really want to know where it goes, so you go on, I think it is general, yes, general. And on submit, go to, you can paste your site where you want them to go. So it's easy, and the thank you page can be altered, tweaked like this, and it is easy. I can just type in whatever I want or not, or just move them like this. I can add new. For example, if it says enter your mail, I can add let's say input their first name. So I go to input type here and put first name and write your first name here. So here it is, your first name here, and it is like this. I can also change the font, everything. But if it's too hard for you, you don't know it, you can just delete it like this, okay? And it is deleted as fast as this. And if you want to move this to go upwards, all you need to do is click on move, click on move and move it like this, and it is moved. Or not, just press Ctrl Z, and it is undone like this. So if you want to save it or exit it, or if you don't exit it without saving it, a pop-up button will appear and says that you have not saved, or click on leave. So all you needed to do is to simply tweak things to your liking. And like I said, you should paste your affiliate link on the button of the call to actions button. After doing all the things you want, now what you need to do is to share the link of either your opt-in page or the link of your bridge page. And this is the link. And this is the link. Now, as you can see here, guys, the link is quite long and quite messy because I have not inputted my domain name inside. So what you need to do is to go to settings, and you will find a tab of domain here, and I have already inputted my domain, and my domain name here on ClickFunnels, which I bought, is joycemeettoo.org, and I just drag down and save and update settings, and it will be updated. And right here, joycemeettoo.org. Now, it is still long and messy, and what you can do is go on funnel step settings and click on settings, and here is the path. You can edit it. You can just put squeeze page and update funnel step, and your link is updated. Here is a short and quite beautiful for me to share, so people know that this link that is being shared to them is from Joyce Meettoo, and this path doesn't even matter. So here it goes. So like I said, you can either share the link of your squeeze page, opt-in page, or your bridge page directly to the audience if for some reasons you don't want to capture your prospects' email addresses, and just get started. So now guys, let's say that you want to add another squeeze page or opt-in page because you don't quite like this one and you want to do it by yourself, so you can add a new step and name your funnel. Let's say I name it opt, and just create funnel step. So as you can see here guys, the opt page has been created. So what you need to do is you will be given templates, and these are my templates that I created, and these ones are provided by ClickFunnels. And there is a huge variety of opt-in pages. They are free to use, and as you saw that you can tweak it to your liking in a matter of minutes and get yourself done. And it is quite easy. So look at these funnels guys. There are tons of them and they are free to use. So if you want to get yourself started with ClickFunnels, I will leave a link down below, and it would be like this. And through that, you will get access to a 14 days free trial and get to learn various ways on how you can promote not only your affiliate links, but also make your own sales through ClickFunnels itself. And I will discuss this next time in another video. However, if you want to get started right away, and all you need to do is to get your free trial account and register in this challenge called the One Funnel a Week Challenge, and it lasts for 30 days, and it gives you a training where they will take your hand and walk you through everything you need to know about sales funnels. The link for the One Funnel a Week Challenge will be in the description box like this. And it's true that Facebook is an amazing platform for free traffic, and having a pool of your own audience from there and make money by promoting your affiliate offer to your selected audience is indeed very fascinating and very profitable. Many people are doing it, and they are still doing it, and I am among those people too. So I hope this video brought value to you, and if it did, please do hit the thumbs up button and subscribe, as well as hit the notification bell, as this will help me provide you more contents that will help you and your online biz. It's been fun guys. See you on the next video. Bye bye. God bless.